Struggling for time? And the best cheese sandwich you can make is this? Then we need to talk. Oh, and if you think the toaster will save your sandwich, no, it won't. Let me show you how we can elevate the sandwich with one simple ingredient. If you can buy the previous ingredients, then you can buy these. Instead of white toast, get a sourdough. Instead of sliced cheese, get cottage cheese. This isn't that expensive, and it's used as a substitute to the expensive Gruyere cheese. And most restaurants use it on the French onion soup, so you know it's good. Using a cheese grater or your regular garlic grater, grate that cheese all over one slice of your sourdough. Here I used about 1 cup of cheese, or 100 grams. In ounces, that will be about 3.5 ounces of cheese. Don't worry about any large pieces of cheese that break during the grating. If there is less than ½ inch, it's fine. Any pieces bigger than that, then you need to break it with your hand. Here comes our secret ingredient. Add some Worcestershire sauce to your cheese. A few drops will do wonder to your sandwich. Then close it and head to your George Foreman grill. If you don't have the press, then you can use a grill or a broiler to cook the top of the cheese until it melts. As you can see, I struggled a little bit with my press. The lock was not engaging. Anyway, depending on how hot your grill is, leave it for 3 to 10 minutes until you can clearly see the grill marks. Once you place it, don't move it. Once it's done, remove it. Cut it in half. Try it and let me know how it went. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, giving us a thumbs up, and sharing the videos with your friends who like cheese.